Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 58th video in Python GUI development with PyQt5. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can draw polygons in PyQt5. In this video I'm going to talk about different brush styles in PyQt5. So there are a lot of different brush styles that you can use in PyQt5 and in this video I want to show you one by one. So I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here. This is a simple window of PyQt5. Let me just change the title to PyQt5 brush styles and change this to 600 and by 500. Okay, so we need some imports. Let me just add these imports in here. From PyQt5.qt import QPainter. I need a QBrush and also I need QPen. Also from PyQt5.qt import Qt core import Qt. Okay, now we need to paint our shapes. So let me just div paint event and change this to event. Okay, now we need to create the object of QPainter like this self, and after creating the object of QPainter we need to set the pen. So painter.setPen, and I want to set the pen QPen. It should be a black color pen, so dot black, and this is the pen size, and it should be a solid line. Okay, so now we need to set our first brush, set brush and QBrush. This is the first brush that we are going to use, so I want to give the color qt.red color, and this is a qt diag cross pattern. And let me just draw my rectangle. It should be 10, 100 and 150 and 100. Okay, now let me just run this. Okay, now you can see that this is the brush style cross pattern diag brush style. So this was the first brush style that in PyQt5. So let me just copy this and paste it once more. So black for, and I don't want to change the pen, and for okay, this I want to change this to, it should be red. There is no problem. Okay, now the another one is this was cross pattern. Another one is it was, I think, Dencel pattern, dense one pattern. Okay, so let me just change also this to 100 ET, 100 and 150 and 100. Let me just run this. Okay, now you can see that this is a dense one pattern style. Let me copy this and show you another one. So I want to change this to horizontal pattern. It is a hor pattern like this, and you need to change this to 350, 100, 150 and 100. Let me just run this. Okay, now you can see this is horizontal pattern style brush style in PyQt5. I want to copy this, and I want to show you another one that is vert pattern, vertical pattern, vert pattern, and you need to change this to 10 and 220, 150 and 100. Let me just run this. Okay, now you can see that this is our vertical pattern style. Another one is B diag pattern. Let me just copy this once more. So B direct pattern, and I want to change this to 100 TT, and the same, another one is the same. So let me run this again. Okay, now you can see that this is our B direct pattern, and for the dense pattern we have different, and let me just show you some more dense pattern in here. Let me just copy this and paste it. So for example, dense 2 pattern, or we can say dense 3 pattern. Change this to 350, and let me run it again. Okay, now you can see that this is different. That this was a dense 1 pattern, and this is dense 4 pattern. And let me just show you one more pattern. And so this should be 10. This is the X and Y position, guys. This should be 340. This is the Y position, and this is the X position. This is the same, and change this to dense 4 pattern. Let me run it again. Now you can see that this has the dense 4 pattern. So thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to